Academy. Learning to use the bathroom.
We found them!
Huh?
Great! Yeah, because we're pirates! Yeah! It's finally the moment. The time has come to open up the treasure chest!
Yes, open it already!
Monty?
Yeah?
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Why are you moving so much?
I just need to go to the bathroom, Sophie. But I don't want to stop playing right when we finally are about to open the treasure chest. You know?
Friends, do you think we should stop the game so that Monty can go to the bathroom? Yes! You know, Monty, our friends at home are right. If you have to use the bathroom, stop what you're doing and go right away. Don't hold it in.
No, I don't want to. I want to open the treasure chest. Come on.
I understand, Monty. It used to happen to me too. I didn't want to stop playing to go to the bathroom. But if your body's asking to go, it's for your own good, right? Yes! Yeah, Sophie's right about that, Monty. If you want to do pee-pee or poo-poo, you should stop what you're doing and go to the closest bathroom so you don't ruin or dirty your clothes. Yep.
Bathroom, treasure chest, bathroom, treasure chest. I'll go to the bathroom only if you promise to wait for me to open the chest, okay?
Don't you worry, Monty. We'll open the chest once you get back.
I'm
Yeah.
going, I'll be back. Ah!
Huh?
Sophie!
What's wrong, Monty?
Well, you see, I don't remember the steps in the bathroom. And I think I'm going to need help from the learning tree.
Oh. First, sit on the potty or the toilet.
Mm-hmm. Ready?
There, you do pee-pee or poo-poo.
I'm done.
Wait just a bit, then get up from the potty or toilet until you are completely finished using the bathroom.
Okay.
After that, use toilet paper to clean yourself real good.
Toilet paper is up. Got it.
Then flush the toilet.
Yeah.
You can ask for help if you need it.
Got it.
Oh, and don't forget to wash your hands too. Yeah. Wash them. Yeah.
What a relief.
Yeah. Did you wash your hands, Monty? Huh? Don't forget the steps to use the bathroom. Can we watch it again, Sophie? Yes. Let's watch it one more time. If you need to use the bathroom, stop what you're doing at that moment and go to the closest bathroom. Once you're in the bathroom, you can sit on the toilet or on the potty. Do what you need to do there and wait a little to make sure you completely finished. After, don't forget to use toilet paper to clean yourself. Flush the toilet. Ask for help if you need it. And don't forget to wash your hands too. Yes!
Finally, there we go. I already washed my hands.
Oh, very good.
Hey, what are you doing, kids?
Oh, we found the treasure and want to open up the chest.
Yeah?
But it's really heavy and we can't seem to open it.
Oh.
Can you open it for us, please, Garnerton?
Oh, yes, of course I can.
Yeah.
If you'll excuse me.
This treasure is a bit weird, don't you think?
No, it's the perfect treasure.
Huh? What?
It's just, I need to go to the bathroom again. I'll be right back.
Well, now it seems like Monty really learned today's lesson.
Excellent!
There are things I want to learn.
Things that I don't really know. I'll face my fears with no concern.
Gee, I love to grow. I know how to wash my hands.
I know
Indeed it was. Mhm.
I should go. Gardener Tim.
But, where are you going, Sophie?
To the bathroom. I need to pee so bad.
Oh, hurry!
Oh no, I think that I need to go pee too.
Run, Rose, run fast!
Guess what? I have to go too.
Wow. Well, we'll see you very soon at Garden Academy.
Yeah!
Goodbye. Garden Academy.